How to convert Google Play balance into redeem code. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video we will see how we can convert Google Play balance into redeem code. So without any further delay, let's get started. For that, open a Play Store in your device. Make sure you are logged in with one of your Google account. Once you're on your home page, navigate to top right corner and tap on the profile icon. From this menu box, tap on payments and subscriptions. Here you have 4 different options. From there, tap on redeem code. Now if you have any redeem code, you can simply type in the code and then redeem, and the amount will be added to your account. Or if you have a gift card, you can scan with this button that says scan gift code. But however, there is no any active way to convert Google balance into redeem code. Google doesn't directly offer a way to convert your Google Play balance into a redeem code or gift card. Google Play balance is primarily for making purchases within the Google Play Store, such as apps, games, movies, books, and subscriptions. However, if that is not available to you, then you can download the Google Wallet from the Google Play Store. Search for Google Play Store, tap on the search bar, and search for Google Wallet. Unfortunately, this app is not available in my region. If that's available in your region, you can simply install it. After that, you can use Google Wallet to redeem your code. And that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.